Hey guys, next day, here with Ty.
Hey guys.
Who else?
Dark truth, them no more than ya. Skin clean, so no sore on ya. Sexy girl. Happy life you want live day, now you wanna world it a show. No, them no more than ya. Oh, them for them more than ya.
Who is it?
I don't know. I hate when guys.
Oh, I thought you said it. I thought you knew him. But we are at the bar. We are at the waterfront. Oh, it's not even waterfront. Water's Edge Cabana Bar. We're by the water.
Cold as fuck.
It's cold as heck. And we just chilling, really, just having a drink. It's cold. We didn't get to go to the beach.
Yeah, it's just way
Y'all
too
can't
windy
even see
for the
us.
beach. But we are by the river. So
We are by the river, and it's cold.
Yeah, so imagine the beach.
Yes. We end up at the beach. I don't know where the day's gonna take us, but we just chilling.
I don't know.
Child, I feel like I need a nap. That coffee did literally. I think I just got a sweet rush. That's it.
Yeah. I hope they put caffeine in it.
Hopefully they did. Hey guys. So after we left the bar, we came back to the house and we were just like sleep. So I'm just like getting up. It's like 7:16 right now. Like this is about like maybe like 5 hours later from the bar. 5 hours later, or maybe 4 or 5 hours. We're about to get ready. We're about to go downtown, bar hop and stuff like that. We were supposed to go to this show tonight, but we're not going anymore because it's late. So we're just gonna, and I did not pack right for this trip. Legit, most of my stuff. Jacksonville is very warm, so like I packed a lot of warm stuff. Thank God I brought this jacket because I wasn't gonna bring it. And so if you see this jacket a lot throughout the vlogs, that's because that's the only thing I packed, and I'm still cold. So like, and then the shirt that I'm wearing tonight is like it doesn't have any, what do you call these, like no strap. It has no strap, no sleeves. So I'm definitely gonna be cold, but you know, that's just something that I have to be prepared for. I'm gonna throw this over it. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's not cute with my outfit, but I'd rather be warm, and I'm still not gonna be warm. So hopefully a lot of things that we do will be indoors. We're just gonna mostly be drinking and stuff like that. I'm not too hungry right now, but I know I'm gonna be hungry a little bit later because we only had breakfast, and I didn't vlog that much this morning and throughout the day just because we're around his family and stuff like that. So like, out of respect, not gonna vlog in people's home and stuff like that. So you know, all that good jazz. But I'm gonna talk to y'all when we are on our way. I don't feel like doing my makeup, but you know, I'm gonna do a little something real quick to get out of here. I'm still tired, but low-key a mini vacation, so it's no time to chill. I'll chill tomorrow. We leave tomorrow. So yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Guys, we have not been vlogging. So I said I was gonna check back in when we got on the road last night. Did not happen. We just like we was just living our best life last night. Just
Actually
too much. it wasn't nothing really to vlog. But you know, right now we're at the seafood place. What is it called?
It's called
Carolina's Crab House. You feeling it?
Yeah, I feel it. Stop. I don't know.
These hush puppies are good. So guys, I don't know what a hush puppy is, and it's like, what?
They come with egg?
Yeah, it came with egg in it.
I need a dipping sauce.
I can't believe you never had a before.
Hey guys, what's up? So I didn't vlog that much after we left South Carolina yesterday. We were just vibing, you know, on our way back, listening to music and stuff. So sorry I didn't get to vlog. Most of the things that we did was just not vlog worthy, and we were just kind of like enjoying the moment. So today's Thursday. I woke up and I showered and stuff, got ready. I went to my therapist this morning. Had a really good conversation. I'm having a really good morning, very insightful, and I'm in a good spirit. So I am about to head to the pool. One of the things that I was talking to my therapist about is just preserving. I wasn't even talking to her about it. We were talking about other things, but like while I left her, I was just thinking about like, what's the word? I was just going through processing. I was just processing what she was talking about, what we were talking about. And one of the things that I think I'm gonna work on for this week, or throughout, but I'm gonna try it out for this week, is just preserving my energy, preserving my space. I'm in a really good mood. I just feel like I need to detach from the world today, kinda. I am vlogging, but I think it's still not communication. I don't know. But I'm about to head to the pool, not to swim or anything. I just don't want to be in the house, just a different space. And I'm gonna read a book. I've been reading this book for months. Oh, the book is in my bag. I've been reading this book for months now, and I just like put it down. I never finished it. It's by Issa Rae. It's called The Misadventures of Awkward Black Girl. It's a really good read, so I'm gonna finish it up. I think I'm only on page 60 something, and it's about 100 and something page. I don't know if I'm gonna finish it today, but I just feel very like I need to read something. I'm very insightful today, and I was talking to Jessica, and I feel like I was doing too much in our conversation, so I'm just gonna process it by myself, go by the pool. I'm not swimming. I just have one. I just got this one. Don't mind my mess over there. That's just my bags from yesterday. But I just got this little, it's supposed to be a dress, but I don't wear it as a dress. I wear it as a skirt because I just feel like I look like somebody. Let me show you. I just feel like I look like somebody house mom. Like, no, that's not cute. So I wear it as a skirt. It's a Rastafarian dress with like, it has a big lion in the back. So I'm feeling very airy today. I'm going by the pool, so I feel like I need to be like, you know, a little relaxed. And I'm gonna take my book, and I am currently listening to a podcast as well. So I'm gonna listen to the podcast while I'm reading, just be by the pool. Probably I'm not gonna swim or anything, but like I said, I just need to go out and process some things. So yeah. And y'all, I'm saying all of this just to say, like, preserve your energy. Preserve your energy. Preserve your space. Don't let too much people in to affect your mood. That's just the space that I've been in lately, and that's, for me, is just very shutting out stuff around me at a certain time, like not responding to people, you know, and not in a bad way, just not texting back for a little bit. Let me take this hour to myself and put my phone away and type of thing, put my phone on do not disturb. But that's a very much space I'm in. I'm not gonna bore y'all or whatever, but I do want to be as transparent as possible when I'm talking about these things, and I'm talking about mental health, because like my last couple of videos I was talking about me starting therapy, and I'm just in a really good spot. And I know it might just be, I don't know what it is, but I woke up in a really good mood. I didn't go to the gym. That's one thing I want to do today, and I still might go later on, but for right now I just feel like, you know, reading and stuff like that. So I'm gonna talk to. So guys, I just got back from the pool. It's 4 o'clock. It was so amazing. Like, after I finished reading, I was reading the whole time. So after I finished reading the book, oh my God, I felt like I was in a different world. It felt so good. So I'm back. I'm gonna do a bath. I'm gonna run a bath. I don't know, I just feel like relaxing today. So I'm gonna run me a bath. I'm waiting. I just rinsed out the tub because, you know, I have to freshen up the tub before I go lay down in it. So I'm waiting, give it some time. Then I'm actually gonna bath today. I'm actually gonna take a bath with this. It's a stress reliever from Bath and Body Works. So it's so good. If y'all stressed out or whatever it is, or just, I'm not stressed right now, but if you just need like clarity, I would definitely suggest showering with this. Or they have the bar soap, they have the liquid soap, they have the bath soak, like the scrub, they have the thing you spray on your pillows. It's just clarity. I like the stress relief one. They have sleep, love, like different things, energy and stuff like that, but I always go for the stress relief one. To me, it's the same thing, just depends what scent you like. I feel like I go for the stress relief one because it has eucalyptus and peppermint in it. Well, it's spearmint, but still that peppermint, I'm creating words. Peppermint type of feel. So I'm about to go run my bath. I'm cooling off a little bit because I just got out of the sun. So then I'm gonna lay down and just relax. I've been listening to a lot of Adele too, so I'm just playing some Adele, gonna light a candle and just like really just chill. I'll probably read some more, honestly, because the book was good. The sun was just getting hot, and like one of the times I looked down and like I was like sweating, but I didn't even know. I was like turning and I felt like all this water just like gushed. I was like, yeah, ugh, I need to go get a bath. I wish I low-key brought my bathing suit though, so I could go in the pool. But I'm just about to take a bath, and yeah, I'll check in with y'all later. Jessica just asked me to go out later, so I might go out later. So
yeah, she blessed from she birth. Girl, I know where she wants, sexy and you cute too. Real bad girl, so you do what you choose to.